Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Plug directly into the router with Ethernet if possible, because wired reduces latency and packet loss. Once done, power cycle your modem and router, then reboot your PC to clear transient issues. While you wait, run a speed test and write down ping, download and upload numbers so you can measure improvements. Make sure to check for firmware or OS updates now. Leaving them pending can skew results and interrupt later changes. You now focus on settings that matter most during play. Configure quality of service on your router to prioritize your PC or the Roblox port so game packets get sent first. This reduces jitter. If using Wi-Fi, switch to 5 GHz and pick the cleanest channel. Move noisy electronics away. Close bandwidth hogs and sign-out devices not needed. Finally, change DNS to a responsive resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 to slightly speed up server lookups. You finish by applying advanced diagnostics and fixes to lock in gains. Update your network adapter drivers and router firmware, then test Roblox on a different network or mobile hotspot to see if the issue follows you. Run packet loss tests and traceroute to identify specific ISP hops adding latency, and document results. If you still have problems, contact your ISP with those logs and request a line quality test or modem replacement. Escalate until they resolve persistent loss or high ping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.